In this video, you will learn step by step how you can refund items on Roblox. So step number one is to head over to a browser. You then want to go to roblox.com and then log into your account. From here, you want to go to the top right hand corner, click on the settings icon and then select help and safety. Now what you want to do is you want to select help center. You then want to go down and then you want to search the articles for refund. Now you can then click on the top search door right there, and then if you scroll down towards the bottom, what you will now see is you will now see need more help, contact support here. So you want to click on that link, which will then open up this form. You want to then enter in your username, enter in your first name, your email address, and then once you've entered in those details, you can go down to issue details, select what device are you having the problem on. You can then choose the device that you are playing your Roblox. So in my case, I will choose iPhone. Now you want to add to the type of help category, click on the drop down menu, and then you want to click on billing and payments. You want to go to the subcategory, click on the drop down menu, and then you want to select one of these options. So for me, I will select, I want to report an unauthorized charge. And in the describe your issue box, you just want to put something simple like this. So my child has bought Roblox without permission. Could this be refunded to the original payment method, please? Thank you. Just something simple like this, and then you can then click on the continue button. Once we select continue, this will then be sent to the Roblox team. And then once they review this, they will then be able to assist you in refunding whatever you want to refund. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.